What's on the agenda tomorrow?
The usual, conquer Earth. But first, we must understand their signals.
5 signs someone is flirting with you, even if you miss every hint. Flirting seems obvious, but most people miss it completely and often confuse it with simple politeness. Stay until the end and you'll see which signals almost always indicate attraction and why they're so easy to overlook. Here's the problem. Flirting is hard to detect. People constantly try to distinguish friendliness from romantic interest and often get it wrong. That's why psychologists started breaking flirting down into measurable signals, and the results are surprisingly specific. But first, what exactly is flirting? Flirting isn't just words, it's a system of signals. Scientifically, it's a mix of verbal and nonverbal behaviors designed to reduce tension and create attraction. It's a game of hints, where nothing is fully stated. And most of these signals are nonverbal. You don't hear them, you read them. And that's where it gets interesting. The most recognizable signal is surprisingly simple, but people consistently identify it. A slight head tilt downward, a subtle smile, and a sideways glance. This combination is one of the clearest indicators of flirting. It looks accidental, but it feels intentional, and that's just the beginning. There are subtler signals, but they're just as powerful. Playing with hair, frequent blinking, brief glances, lowered eyes, subtle lip movements. Body orientation also matters, for example, feet pointed toward a person. Individually, these signals mean little. Together, they form a pattern, and the brain is wired to detect patterns. What about online communication? There's no body language there. Research suggests that people still flirt through subtle cues, even in text. Women in particular tend to use more indirect signals, even without visual contact. Men initiate more often. Women signal more subtly. The medium changes, the behavior doesn't. Now let's talk about words. Compliments are the most direct signal, often intensified, the best, the most amazing. Then comes self-presentation, highlighting strengths, sometimes exaggerating. And finally, humor. Humor reduces tension and builds connection. Without it, flirting often falls flat. But here's the key point. Flirting isn't an exact science. It depends on context, culture, and individual differences. The same signal can mean different things in different situations. That's why you shouldn't look for one sign. You should look for patterns. And that leads to the main idea. We assume flirting is obvious, but it's actually a subtle system of signals. That's why you shouldn't look for one sign. You should look for patterns. And that leads to the main idea. We assume flirting is obvious, but it's actually a subtle system of signals. Single gestures can be random, but consistent patterns usually indicate real interest. Flirting isn't about rules, it's about recognition. And once you see the pattern, you're already ahead of most people.